Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download any image from Instagram posts. So let's begin. First of all, open your Instagram application. Then search or open any of the images that you want to download. Then click on the share button. Here you can see the option of copy link. Select it. Now you cannot directly download it from Instagram, so you should go to other website to download it. Now open your Google Chrome. Here you can search Instagram photo downloader and click on the first one. So here you can paste the link and select download photo. It will take some time. So as you can see, photo has been converted, and now press download. So here you can see the photo is downloaded to the mobile device. So this is the way how you download any photo from Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helps.